Hi everyone, welcome to Reasoning Mega Class Ranking and Order Part number 2. So, all you know that we have learned the ranking introduction, and in the part number 1 we have the model number 1. In the part number 2 we are going to see more model numbers. So let's start our lesson now. Now the model number 2. The position of Suresh is 24 from left and 37 from right in a row. If the condition is there must be 75 persons in that row, then how many extra persons should be added to the row? So very simple this question. This is my student. See, the position of Suresh is 24 from left and 37. So all we have the ranks from the both sides, from the left and from the right. So from these both the ranks, we can find the total. Then by using the formula, total is equal to L plus R minus 1. Okay. Just to subtract this total from this 75, as there is a 75 persons in that row. So let's see. Let's add this both the sides. Then we get here 24 plus 37 is equal to 61, and the minus 1 is equal to 60. Then as per the ranks of Suresh, then there is total students we have got as 60. But in that row, there must be 75. Then how many extra persons should be added to this? To get the extra person added, then we should subtract the 60 from the 75. By subtracting, we get here 15. Very simple. The answer is the 1. Got the point? And the next one, see, the same model. See, the position of Mohan is 9 from east and 22 from west in a row. The condition is there must 25 persons in that row. Then how many extra persons should be subtracted from that row? Very simple. The same order. Then let us find uh, total number of students by using these two sides rank. Then what do you get, my friends? 29 plus 9, 22 plus 9 is equal to 31, and the minus 1 is equal to 30. But there must be only 25 students. They subtract 25 from 30. Then as there is the extra 5 students, the 5 extra students subtracted from the row. Very simple. So the answer is 3. And the next one, yeah, model number 3. If you see the question C, in a class, rank of Smita from the first is 12 and 29 from last. If 10 students have failed in that exam, then what would be class total strength? Very simple, my friends. Before solve this problem, let's see one thing here. We know that failed students, they won't get any rank. What's the point? The failed students, they don't get any rank as they have failed in the examination. Only rank will be allotted to the students, those who appeared in the examinations. I think you might got it here. So that's why, yeah, what you can see, as per the normal formula, we can find the total. Okay, then let's find the total is equal to 12 plus 29 is equal to the 41, and subtract 1 from the 41, we get the 40. Very simple. Okay, but means here what we can understand by seeing this, the 40 students are appeared in the examination, but more 10 students are failed. They don't include in this 40. Why? Because the failed students, they won't get any rank here. So that to get the total strength, these failed students also should be added to the 40. Now let's add. Then what do you get here? 50. That's it. But if it's the answer is 3, as you got it here. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box, or else um, you can share your thoughts, share your doubts to the WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number, 7989804600. Okay. Now let's see next problem. Now the next problem in the model number 3, the same. In a class, Gopal rank is from the first is 12 and 24 from last. If 5 students have got distinction, then what would be the class strength? Very simple. I think you might have you might have noticed the difference between the previous problem and this problem. In the previous problem, 10 students failed. These 10 students failed students we won't include in the rank student. But here the 5 students have distinction means that they're the top students. Top top students may be included. They must be included in the rank students. That's why only the question is we should not add these 5 students in the total. Why? Because already we get in this year. So what do you get, my dear friend? See, then let's find the total here. The total is equal to 12 plus 24. Then what do you get? 36 and minus 1 is equal to 35. Very simple. So don't add plus 5 here. Why? Because these 5 students are included in 35 only. Why? Because they have a distinction means they're the top students. So they might have the top ranks, the first top ranks of the class here. So the 35. That's why the total strength of the class must be 35. So the answer must be 3. And the next one, next problem, model number 4. In a class, Priyanka's rank is from first is 13 and 33 from last. If 12 students have got distinction, then the 10 students are absent. Then what would be the class strength? Very simple, my dear friends. Here, Priyanka's ranks are given means L, this is L and this is R, L and R. Then 13 plus 33 is equal to 46. Then to get to 46 minus 1 is equal to 45 is the total class here. All I told you, distinction should not be added. Why? Because all there are there are the top ranked students, they will be involved in 45, so that I don't consider this 45 12, sorry. Now, 10 students are absent. You might know that 10 students are absent, failed and absent student, they don't get any rank as they are absent and are failed. So that to get the total strength of the class, this 10 students should be added to the total. Then what do you get, my distance? Then 55. So the answer would be the second. For the point. And the next, now the model number 5, very simplest problem this. There are some trees in a row. If the position of a tree is 15 from the both sides, then how many trees are there in that row? Very simple, my dear friend. See, here in a row, there are many trees. Okay, so I'm taking the tree here. The position of these three from the left and from the right are same, which is 15. What the point? Only the difference of the previous model and this model is the in the previous model we have seen the ranks are different, but here we can see the ranks are same here. Very simple, same method. This is L and R, and to get the total number of the students, L plus R minus 1 is equal, L plus R is nothing but 15 plus 15 and a minus 1. 15 plus 15 is equal 30. Now 30 minus 1 is equal to 29. Very simply, very simple. Only just add this both and subtract from 1. So subtract this sum from 1. You will get the total number of the students. Okay. My friends, you have seen 5 models in this part. Okay, the first part we have seen in the first model, and in the second part we have seen the more 4 models. In the third part, you are going to see the more important models. I am going to include in the next part. That's why don't miss the part number 3. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you're watching our channel at first time, please subscribe and share it and like it and comment it. Thank you very much. Your Mohammed Study.